Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English. Welcome. Today I want to show you a finished project. This kit I bought about 10 years ago and nowadays it's very hard to find. I don't think they make them anymore. You might be able to find it on eBay if you're lucky. This is the maker of this kit is Heritage Collection by Elsa Williams. It's called Vineyard Doves, and this is the number of the kit. The finished size of the project is 10 by 20 inches or 25 by 51 centimeters. This was stitched on 14 count Aida fabric. I don't know the maker of the fabric. It's not available. This is not Zweigart. I usually like Zweigart, but this was very nice. I liked it. The color is ivory, and it had the kit contained 24 different colors. 6 of them were blends of colors. The back stitch and the instruction reads that you need 1 strand for back stitching, but I used 2. It was like a personal preference. I like 2. This kit was made in USA, and I know that they had like another kit was very like this one, but it had like yellow birds, and the grapes were darker, more like blue colored. I don't have that kit unfortunately, but maybe if I'm lucky I can find it on eBay. I don't know the maker of the floss. It was not DMC, it was not Anchor. They didn't write anything about it. They just wrote, the maker wrote that it was like 100% cotton floss. Nothing more, nothing about the maker. But it was very nice. The floss was very nice. It didn't break. It was very easy to cross stitch with it. And I also want to show you the chart, and the chart is in 3 pages. It's in black and white, but it was very easy to follow. These are the colors of the floss, and this is the instructions. I'd like to show you a bit closer what it looks like. And it's a bit hard to see the whole project in the camera, but if I do it like this, you will be able to see how long it is. And this is what, 51 centimeters, or it was 20 inches long. And here you have 10 inches or 25 centimeters. Well, let me know what you think about this project. I'm very, very pleased with the result. I really like it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna frame it or do something else with it. We'll see. Please write me in the comment section what you think about this, if you like it. Maybe you already cross-stitched this before. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I have ordered some new kits from Russia and some cross-stitch materials from USA. So I will be making videos about that. Plus I have like a secret project that I'm working on right now, and it's like a cross-stitch experiment that I'm doing, and I'm going to be releasing that video in about 1 or 2 weeks. I'm not sure. I'm about 60% of the project is done. So soon you will see my cross-stitch experiment. So please subscribe and follow me. There's only lots more to come, and I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!